What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's Leroy with Happy Trailers. We've got a bit of a dump showdown going on today. We've got Load Trail, Good Guys, and Max D. Let's check these things out. We're looking at 14-foot models, bumper pull, Load Trail, Good Guys in blue, and Max D over here in the army green. Adjustable coupler with the slide lock. Good Guys, adjustable coupler with the Demco. Max D, adjustable coupler with the Demco. Large front toolbox on the Load Trail. Shock assist, hydraulics and everything here in the front part with the divider, so you've got room for other storage here. With Good Guys, you've got the Store More toolbox with options for tie downs here on the top of the lid. Shock assist as well. Hydraulics here on the passenger side with the divider and a large storage space here. This one's deep too. You've got 12 inches deep. Over here on Max D, still a large front toolbox. Shock assist, hydraulics here with the divider and a smaller space here on the passenger side for the rest of your storage. Looking at hydraulics on the Load Trail, you got power up and down with the gravity down feature. You got a 5-inch cylinder here on the scissor lift. The Good Guys, you've got power up and power down. No gravity down feature on this one. Do have scissor lift as well with that same 5-inch cylinder. Coming around to Max D, similar remote to the Load Trail. Power up and down with the gravity down option and 5-inch cylinder on the scissor lift. Load Trail over here's got the tarp kit undermounted. It's in a nice enclosed box. Really does a good job of protecting the tarp. Good Guys, it's got a pretty standard tarp kit here as well. Bolt on, it is undermounted. Less chance of it getting hit from up top. Max D, similar tarp right there. Undermounted, it is all visible. Props to Load Trail over here for having the box that fully covers the tarp. Looking at the dump bed, these are 14-foot long, 2-foot tall sides. There you are, 24 inches. Got D-rings on the 4 corners. Front 2 are on the floor. The ones here in the back are on the side. This has got a 10-gauge floor and sides. Looking at the Good Guys, once again, we're looking at 2-foot high sides. There you are, 24 inches tall. This one's got the rigid rail, so it's got a 3-inch top rail. Beefy there as well. You've also got the D-rings in the front corners on the floor. On the sides, you got them here, in the rear, you've got them on the side. And this one's got the 7-gauge floor with 12-inch on-centered cross members. Here we have the 10-gauge floor with 16-inch centered cross members. Coming around to the Max D, 14-foot long again, 24-inch total height. That includes the board brackets up top. These are meant to be beaten on if needed and replaced whenever they get bad. We got the D-rings here on the wall in the rear and on the floor in the front. This one also has your 10-gauge floor and sides. Back at the Load Trail. For the rear gate, you've got a split spreader gate. It opens barn door style. Holdbacks here and chains here for the spreader gate. Come around here to the driver's side and pull the pin. And it's also got the stabilizer jacks here for loading up equipment. Over here, looking at the Good Guys dump, you've also got the split spreader gate. Opens barn door style and is hinged at the top to spread loads. These are your hooks and D-rings for the door holdbacks. Here on the driver's side, pull the lever, lock it back into place. It's got the ramps down here as well for equipment. This one does not have the stabilizer jacks. Looking here at the Max D, once again a split spreader gate. It's hinged at the top so it can spread loads, and they open barn door style. On the Max D, you see chains that are right here on the inside of the door. When you swing the door around, you hook the chain in right here. Has a hold back. Got the ramps right there for loading equipment, and your lever right here. Spreader gate. All 3 of these dumps are 14K dumps with the 7,000-pound axles. Here we're looking at a Goodride 235/80 R16 tire. These are 10-ply tires. Spring suspension. With the Good Guys, you're looking again at a 235/80 R16 Goodride tire. 10-ply. Spring suspension once again. And with the Max D 7K axles again with a 235/80 R16 10-ply tire. These are Westlake tires. They do have a really nice tire warranty along with these as well. Here is the tire warranty on the Max D. 1 year, no excuse. 2-year roadside, 5-year tire warranty. Let's check out main tongue and frame. Load Trail has got 8-inch I-beam on the tongue and the frame. Good Guys got the engineered tongue. Gets all the way up to 12 inches here in the center. And then main frame, looking at an 8-inch I-beam frame here as well. Max D, once again, tongue and frame, 8-inch I-beam. These are all 8-inch, 10-pound I-beam frames. All right, that's just a run through of all of the standard features on all of these trailers. Let's talk about price. On this Load Trail trailer, you're looking at $10,899. Moving over to the Good Guys trailer. This one is priced at $11,499. So about 600 bucks more on the Good Guys than the Load Trail. And last but not least, the Max D DKX model. This is one of their newer models in their dump trailer fleet. This one is priced at $10,999. Only $100 more from the Load Trail for the Max D. And once again, the Good Guys at the most expensive, $11,499. What do you think of these options? They're all available, all in stock. Pick your poison, guys. Let me know what you think, what you like and don't like about these three models. Thanks for watching. We'll see you for the next one.